See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
With the rain chances going down the last couple of days, as we've only been seeing just some isolated stray showers during the afternoon, temperatures have been on the rise as we hit 93 this afternoon. Feel like temperatures up to around 103, 104, and that's going to be more of the same as we push into our Sunday as Monday, as high pressure is kind of moving over and suppressing that rain chances. But we have had a couple isolated showers develop, so we'll take a look at the satellite and radar, and we can take a look and see that we have had one or two making their way, mainly south of the interstate, push in during the afternoon, but they've been very isolated at that. The biggest ones we've had have been over in St. Martin and northern Iberia Parish, but we've had a few other isolated ones over towards Calcasieu and into Jeff Davis. But for the most part, things are quiet. We do have a good bit of cloud cover now from some of these showers pushing in through Lafayette Parish and up into Acadia and making their way into Evangeline, kind of holding temperatures down now and in the mid to upper 80s right now. But we'll take a closer look at these showers that did fire up towards the eastern portions of Lafayette Parish, then made their way into St. Martin and down into northern Iberia Parish. They began the fire up around 3:30 this afternoon. Didn't really move a whole lot. Kind of drifted from the Broussard area over towards St. Martinville. St. Martinville definitely got the heaviest of the rain this afternoon and still ongoing with a little bit of some light to moderate showers. New Iberia, you were right on the edge of this. I don't know if you really saw any of it. You might have got a drizzle or two, but now it is beginning to fade, and that should be the trend through the rest of this evening as it will continue to rain itself out. I'll give it another hour, 2 hours before the rain kind of comes to an end across most of Acadiana. Across the Gulf Coast, we can see scattered showers back through Mississippi, Alabama, and over into Georgia, but we do have an upper level high that'll be moving down from the Tennessee, Kentucky Valley. That'll suppress this and push those rain chances off to the west. So we will see lower rain chances across most of the Gulf Coast, pushing into our Sunday and Monday before another wave of some energy begins to move in by the mid part of the upcoming week. After just being a remnant for the last week, we now have the resurgence of subtropical storm Beryl making its way up the Atlantic East Coast. It's trying to get its act together, as you can see, trying to close up, starting to get a little bit of a closed circulation. Winds right now up to 40 miles per hour, gusts to 50. Could become a tropical storm in the next couple of days, but then will weaken as it pushes over some cooler waters in the North Atlantic, becoming a post-tropical low as it heads up towards the St. John area of Newfoundland by late Monday and into Tuesday. So, but no real concerns across the East Coast or here in the United States. Locally, what we're going to have is clear skies through the rest of this evening. That's how we wake up tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine for our Sunday, and we'll see more of that sunshine throughout the afternoon. Maybe just one or two stray showers, mainly south of the interstate. So most of us stay dry, hot, and humid. Highs getting back into the lower 90s, triple-digit heat indices for your Sunday. And then for your Monday, pretty much the same story as that high pressure keeps the rain chances down just around 10-20% for a very isolated or stray shower. But most of us stay dry the next couple of days. So a stray shower will be possible within the next couple hours, but then decreasing clouds a little later on. 76 is where we'll go for the overnight low with warm and muggy conditions. And then for your Sunday, we'll call it hazy, hot, and humid. The summer H's are back. Morning sunshine, but gradually we'll start to see those clouds developing during the afternoon, pushing us into around 93 for the high and then just a 20% chance for that stray shower. And as for the heat indices, I mentioned we're going to heat up, and it is going to feel nearly like the triple digits by 10, 11 o'clock, and then we stay that way all the way throughout much of tomorrow afternoon. So if you have to be outside, make sure you're drinking the water, staying hydrated, and with all that sunshine, wear the sunscreen hats and sunglasses to protect yourself. And that pattern looks like it's going to continue for your Monday. Slightly better rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as that moisture heads our way, dropping temperatures a degree or two into the lower 90s. But then heading towards Friday and in the following weekend, we do see those temperatures climbing back up as rain chances go down, as we're getting back into 93 to 94 for next weekend and just a 20% chance for some showers.
Well, hopefully the rain kind of calms it down a bit. It's been so hot lately.
It does. That's the give and take of summertime. You know, you want the rain to try and cool it off a little bit, but then it creates the humidity all over again, so it's just back and forth.
All right. Thank you, Eric.